Many people, na'udhu billah, they wear amulets, they have bracelets, they have rings. You go into the house, it's like a chart. So you ask him, Akhi, why do you have this? Either for the purpose of bringing blessings or for the purpose of repelling some kind of evil or for the purpose of protection. So now, here, this is shirk. But what kind of shirk? If he believes that this ring itself or this string itself has the almighty ability to protect me, is that major or minor? Major. Why? Because he has made it rububiyyah with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with a string. But when does it become minor? He's got the string on. Akhi, why are you wearing a string? Because I believe that through Allah, protection will come as long as I'm wearing this string or this ring or this chart on the wall. There's something here that I've seen in Luton that I've not actually seen in Leicester, I don't think. But people actually put ta'weezes on their cars. I've not seen that before in Leicester. Not that I know of it, not that I've noticed, but I've seen this thing dangling in front. What is this? Somebody told me it's a ta'weez. They put a tamima on the car to protect the car from evil eye. So the one brother I was with, he said, why don't you just put Zamzam in the radiator instead? I'll be... طيب. So now here, minor. Why is it minor? He's still a Muslim. Because the things which are fundamental to his belief of Tawheed is still with Allah. Allah is my Lord, I worship Him, names and attributes. But he has got this string and this superstition or this cause which is not a cause and is connected to the string. That now becomes minor shirk or minor kufr. Is he a Muslim? Yes, he is a Muslim. Do you give him salam? Yes. Do you pray behind him? Debatable. Do you eat his meat? Yes. If he invites you, do you go? Yes. He's your family relative. Weddings, any kind of ruling that you can think about when it comes to interaction with Muslims, he's still a Muslim. But that person, very dangerous grounds. Very, very dangerous ground. And this is the reason why we're studying this book. This book here, really, if you understand La ilaha illallah, this is either your salvation in the life of this dunya before the akhirah, or you've got the answer wrong. Every single one of us is going to be asked to man Rabbuk. There's no doubt about that. What is your tawheed? What do you believe in? If you get it right here, then you can get it right in the way. This is why many of the ulama, the salaf, they have said, Inna fi dunya jannah. In this dunya there is a jannah. Man lam yadkhulaha fi dunya lam yadkhulaha fi al-akhirah. If you don't enter that Jannah already exists in the life of this dunya. If you don't enter into that Jannah in the life of this dunya, you will not enter into Jannah in the akhirah. What is the Jannah of the dunya? There's no other salvation. There is no other sweetness. Wallahi, it's going to come point in your life where food is just food, drink is just drink, clothes is just clothes, money is just money. What is there in this dunya after that? This is the sweetness.